Hello, welcome back. Again, I'm Erica Boone, and I'm going to show you how to do a veggie wrap. We call them veggie wraps because we're not using any bread to make a sandwich, and we're just going to wrap it in lettuce. Now, this is what we call Roman lettuce. This is a smaller version of it, but it comes rather big. Just wanted to let you know, or basically see how it will look in the store, but it would be more of a bigger leaf. And again, I'm a Walmart buff, so I shop at Walmart. A head of Romanian lettuce will run you about $1.50 or less. Okay, and again, it can feed a family of 4 or better. Okay, let's set this to the side and let's get started. Now, what I would do, I pull the leaves apart from the lettuce, and this is a hard part, so I usually just take the hard part out and discard it. And you need about 2 leaves, and I place it like so. You just kind of put them together to make your wrap. Spread them out. You can make a big wrap or a smaller wrap. And sometimes you can do it upside down, however you want it, but you want to just flatten out the leaf to wrap the sandwich, okay? And then I like to use, we have provolone cheese, and this is beef pastrami. And this is a low-sodium oven-roasted turkey breast by Sara Lee. It's delicious. But you can use whatever meats or cheeses that you want. If you don't want cheese, don't use cheese. If you don't want turkey, use ham. Okay, so now I'm going to take another leaf because I like to make sure that the sandwich is very secure. So I'll put another leaf across the top. So you just want to make sure that it's flattened, like so. And I'm using Kraft Classic Caesar a dressing, but you can use whatever dressings that you want, okay? And so I'm going to shake this up and squeeze it onto the lettuce, and this gives your sandwich flavor. You can put as much or as little as you want. Okay, we're going to set that to the side, and I like to use about 3 pieces of cheese, thinly sliced. You can have the deli to slice it up for you and place that in there. And then I want to start by putting shavings of the beef pastrami all over. Just put it on, just lay it on. However thick you want, not too thick because you want this to roll, okay? We're going to add the turkey meat. It smells wonderful, and they make such a good sandwich, and the kids enjoy them as well. Okay, so now that we have our meats, we're going to add a little bit more dressing because you don't want the sandwich to appear dried out or anything like that. You want lots of flavor in there. So the dressing tends to keep it moist and delicious. So now we're going to wrap it. So you want to take the end and just start a wrap. Okay, and it's going to break apart a little bit, but for the most of it, it stays together. Okay, so we're wrapping, and you can hear the lettuce crunching. So it's going to be like a little tube, and you have a knife ready, and you're going to cut on an angle. There you are, a little angle, and sometimes I use a little bit of toothpicks to hold it together, but this is what you want. You want them to look exactly like this. Now we're going to plate it. Get your plate, plate your wrap, and it's good to serve. Let me see how this tastes. You might want to get a napkin. Keep that handy, but these are delicious. Don't even miss the bread. They're delicious and quick. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, where we'll learn something else. Thank you.